Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to elevate your eyeshadow game with its long-lasting, ultra-pigmented formula. Meet the Kiko Milano Lasting Mousse Eyeshadow in the shade 02 Champagne. This mousse eyeshadow is designed to give you a gorgeous, pearly metallic finish with a water-based texture that feels refreshing as it goes on. According to the product description, it offers 16-hour wear, which is a bold claim. But how well does it really perform? Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the texture of this eyeshadow is something you don't see every day. The mousse formula feels cool and lightweight on the skin, which is definitely a unique experience compared to traditional cream or powder eyeshadows. When you apply it, it feels almost like a whip texture that glides smoothly onto the lids. And the cooling sensation it provides adds an extra touch of freshness, which could be really nice, especially on warm days or if you're in a rush and need a quick pick-me-up. As for the pigmentation, it's right there with the best of them. The 02 Champagne shade is a beautiful pearly metallic color with just the right amount of shimmer to make your eyes pop. It's buildable, so you can layer it for a more intense look or keep it subtle for a soft, elegant finish. For someone like me who loves both versatility and performance, this is a huge plus. I've used this eyeshadow during my daily routine, and the 16-hour wear time is certainly impressive. While I didn't push it to a full 16 hours, it definitely lasted throughout my busy day without creasing or fading, which is a huge win for a cream-based eyeshadow. It's easy to apply with just my fingers, but if you prefer brushes, it blends beautifully either way. That said, there are a couple of things to consider. First, the texture might be a bit tricky for those who are used to the traditional cream eyeshadows. The mousse formula is a bit fluffier and airier than expected, so getting the perfect amount of product can take a little practice. But once you've figured it out, it's smooth sailing. Secondly, if you have oily eyelids, you might need to use a primer underneath to ensure the shadow stays in place all day. Now, let's talk about the value for money. This is a Kiko Milano product, which generally offers solid quality at an affordable price point. Given the performance, longevity, and texture, I think this eyeshadow is definitely worth it, especially if you're looking for something that stands out in both formula and finish. The price is reasonable, and for a product that delivers on its promises, I'd say it's a good deal. If you're wondering how this compares to other cream eyeshadows on the market, I'd say it holds its own quite well. Brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal offer similar long-wear cream-based eyeshadows, but the mousse texture and cooling sensation of this Kiko Milano eyeshadow give it a unique edge. Plus, it's got that extra touch of luxury with its pearly metallic finish, which can really make your eyes sparkle. As for the build quality, the packaging is simple and effective. It's a small, sleek container that makes it easy to store in your makeup bag without taking up too much space. The mousse formula inside stays intact without drying out, and the product has a good shelf life if stored properly. I haven't had any direct interaction with Kiko Milano's customer service, but based on their reputation for offering high-quality products at affordable prices, I feel confident that they stand behind their products. If you're looking for similar alternatives, brands like L'Oreal and Maybelline offer cream eyeshadows that perform well, though they may not offer the same mousse texture or cooling sensation. If you're not entirely sold on this particular formula, but love the pearly metallic finish, you might want to check out some of the other high-end cream shadows on the market, though those will often come at a higher price. To sum up, the Kiko Milano Lasting Mousse Eyeshadow in 02 Champagne is a beautiful, easy-to-use product that offers great value for money. Its 16-hour wear time, buildable pigmentation, and cooling texture make it stand out in the crowded eyeshadow market. While it might take a little getting used to, once you do, it's a must-have for those looking for a soft metallic glow with staying power. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.